Hello modelers, today we're gonna build the KI-43-172 scale by Hasegawa. This is a very nice kit, and I do enjoy building this more than my T-34. And also, if you're wondering why I didn't upload part 2, is that I've lost some footage. So yeah, that sucks. The instructions are fairly clear, though you have to pay attention sometimes, and you can pause the video to read some of the stats about the plane. They come with very high quality decals and a clear plastic cockpit. The details on the kit is pretty okay for its price, and it has raised panel lines, which is a bad thing. It came with a manual telling you how to apply decals and some resin parts and some photo etch parts. That said and done, let's start building. Now these are the tools that I used, and I've also washed the parts with soapy water, and I've used a side cutter to cut out the pieces, and I also trimmed them off with a hobby knife and some sanding, and I use sanding files most of the time. The cockpit build is fairly simple and it's not a lot of detail to it. I use aerosol cans to spray paint the radial part of the engine. And I use artist acrylics and mixed up a green and white paint mix to get this color, and I don't think it's historically accurate or accurate in real life, but it works for me and I'm pretty pleased with it. I used the same paint mix that I mixed up for the cockpit and began painting the interior of it. I used about 4 to 3 coats of this paint, and I also have to scrape away some of the excess overpaint, and so that I could cement on the cockpit piece. I should have bought a decal applying solution, but I've just used warm water, and I used a Q-tip to place it on the instrument panel. Now gluing the fuselage in place is fairly easy, and there's no joint issues with it, so which is perfectly fine for me. I just gotta sand away the joint seams, and it was a pretty clean fit. tried to paint a post shading effect and it didn't work too well. As you can see, it'll leave a grainy texture after spray painting on the silver. But it's a first try, so I'm gonna learn from that. As you can see, after a 2 coats of silver paint, it coated it quite nicely. I've used super glue to glue on the bomb pieces and the landing gear. My overall I've masked off certain parts and painted it black, and I also painted the propeller and the canopy black. And I should have left the canopy off before spray painting a clear coat. But I've used sponges to get this effect and it worked pretty well for me. I just dab on and just keep on dabbing until I get my desired result. And for this again, I just use plain warm water. If I have detailed solutions, it will help me very much, and I'll be getting them sooner next time. After I'm done applying all the decals, I just remembered to paint on the yellow stripes on the edge of the wing, and I've just mixed up yellow and orange and white to get this orange-yellow color. And this is the effect after I weathered it with diluted acrylics. But that is all for my video. Thanks for watching.